Hi, this is Roxann Riedel with Montgomery Whiteley Realty in Berryville, Arkansas. I'm here to take you on another little nature walk in the Ozarks. One of the things I love most about this land is the biodiversity. We have several species of orchids that live here, and right now I'm looking at some twayblade that are still blooming. They're pretty tiny. That's the size compared to my hand. There. Now you can see. Thanks for joining me on this little nature walk. This is one of the several species of orchids that exist here in the Ozarks. And if you're looking for your own piece of nature, let us know.